My name is Mageo, and am I proud to be a Samoan? Yes, I am proud to be a Samoan because of our culture, our language, and our religion and traditions. Here is a Samoan song that I'm going to read out the lyrics to explain more about the reason why I am proud to be a Samoan. Our Samoa, the greatest place of all. She is, she is green and blue, lush with beauty, and hearts are pure as gold. Touch someone with tears of joy, touch someone with smiles of love. Oh, what happy feelings from such happy people. We are Samoan, people from the sun, and our heritage lives on, teaching the world humanity and hospitality. We are Samoan, and we trust in thee. That was a song that was written by famous Samoan artist Jerome Gray, and it still holds up till today. I will always be proud of Samoa. Thank you.